So today we're going to learn about comparisons. And basically we're just going to show how we can represent numbers and their relative quantity to other numbers. So if we look at, we have a couple of words that represent mathematical symbols. We have greater than, which is represented as a caret to the left. And the caret, not an actual caret, like we're not seeing a carrot being eaten or drawn or anything of the like. No. Okay, this specific symbol here is called a caret in mathematics. Okay. We also have less than. Oops. We have less than, which is the caret but the opposite way. Equal to, which is just represented by what you all know to be the equal sign. Greater than or equal to, which is represented as the caret with a line under it. And then less than or equal to, which is again the same caret but with a line under it. So we're going to go through a couple examples to help us understand this. So 5, 4, 6, 8, 7, 7, 5, 8. So let's do these examples first. So 5 is what? 5 is greater than 4. So you'll notice here, what I like to do sometimes is, this is an alligator. Those are his monster teeth, and it's eating always the larger number. Okay, so 5 is greater than 4. 6 is less than 8. Again, the mouth is open towards the bigger number here. 7 is equal to 7, and 5 is less than 8. So I've used all of the symbols here except for the symbols that are less than or equal to or greater than or equal to in these examples. Let's move on to a couple more examples. So what if we had x plus 1, and x here can represent any number. Okay, so example. X can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3.5, it can be 4.68. X can be anything you want it to be. So let's say we have x plus 1, and then we have 4. So I can say that x plus 1 is less than 4, in which case the x would have to represent something that when we add whatever value for x and 1 together, it's always less than 4. Okay, however, we could also say that x plus 1 is less than or equal to 4, meaning that x can be any number like we said last time, but also a number that is equal to 4. So, for example, if we had less than, could x be 2? Let's try it out. 2 plus 1 is less than 4. Does that work? Absolutely. 3 is less than 4. Hooray. Okay. Let's try 3. 3 plus 1 is less than 4. Is 4 less than 4? No, it definitely is not. 4 is equal to 4. However, if we go back and switch our sign and say, okay, x plus 1 is less than or equal to 4, and we plugged in 3 for x, we'd have 3 plus 1 is less than or equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 4. This would work. 4 is equal to 4. 4 is not less than 4. But if we notice this little line here, it says 4 is less than or equal to 4, which is completely correct. So if you understand comparisons and how to use math symbols with comparisons, go ahead and like this video. If you're still needing more help, please comment so I can help you out. And remember, learning about comparisons is only increasing your math swag. See you next time.